Kambi mar Royal Media Services e thuolo machielo kendo nochoko mich modhuro e chenro mar auchiel mar dhialo ute fwambo e pie mar Kuza mitayo kod Communications Authority. RMS nochoko mich 4 kuomgi Citizen TV noyudo mich mula e yiero mar jopiny kaka tipo makare mineno nono. Ramogi TV noyudo bronze kata kao namba 3 kata kao namba 3 e yiero no. E kaunti ma Nairobi bende Royal Media nochako yudo mich mar mula e Ubuntu Awards ka Radio Citizen noyier kaka nyakalondo ma jopiny ohero.
Yes. Step into the light, he said. Step into the light. So much fun, huh?
Congratulations.
Yeah, let's have those things going. Congratulations. Citizen TV, Royal Media.
With me. Can you see this gentleman? Unamwona? Come closer.
Some can go down, I think.
Angle your bodies. Apo. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's smile, everybody. You're the gold winners of the Kuza Awards 2023.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All been here and patient, and we'd like to appreciate the...
This place is changing. Over-the-top services is a big debate, not just in Africa, but globally, about its impact on businesses and existing institutions in this particular space. We are going to have more inquiry in that space to see how to maximize that opportunity. But I also want to extend my appreciation to fellow regulators in the East African community. They've always supported us. And our aim is that the next Kuza Awards event should be regional, should be East African kind of Kuza event.